Today I'll be showing you one of the Google My Business account which I am handling, and since a month, this startup has started their operation in Darbhanga, and I got the opportunity to work with. And there were a problem with these guys. They were unable to verify the setup of Google My Business, and which is very important for any business which is locally, and to get the business calls increased, you should be having a Google My Business. So I'll just show you this. This is the business account you can see here, which I'm handling. So if you can see over backseat cabs car rental in Darbhanga, and you can see over here, this is in under review. Okay, this is in under review, and if you can see this, when I have contacted almost when sorry okay, this 10:30. What is the time now? Is 12:22. So here you can see I have contacted to Google My Business Support. How I have done this one, again I will show you that. See, you will be having an option over here. You need to, first of all, you need to have the same business address, same business which you are having on your visiting card, or or in your signboard. Everywhere should be same again. And then the business, this address should be same in everywhere. And then the number, which is called NAP, name, address and phone number, should be same for each and every reference set. Okay. Now you can go, if you are having this problem, the number which is coming under review, most of the time I have seen that, and the complaint coming in, most of the people, they have seen my videos on YouTube, they have reached me out for solving this problem as well. So you can see this is the one another business which is having a number under review, and which goes on, you are unable to contact the Google My Business Support. If you are going through this also, or wherever, they won't reply. They won't reply, and people are getting harassed. So simply you can click over here. Sorry. Okay. Uh, Let me show you that. Okay. So once you will click over here, and then after you will put your concern in this help bar. There would be some suggestion will come through this. These are the suggestions from Google community. Okay. And then you can have the link which you can click over here, and you can land up to this page. Okay. Once you will land up to this page, what you have to do, let's get started. Okay. You have to put your concern over here. What is your problem? So I have put my many type of concern over here. You can see here. First I have put postcard not arrived, it didn't work out. Then after next step, then confirm the issue and contact option. Nothing, I'm unable to get the customer support. I was unable to get the customer support, means I want to talk to the customer representative. Okay. Then you can see here, need to talk. I again done that, no response. Then number under review, again I couldn't reach. Then finally what I have done here, talk to customer support. When I have done this one, then you will be having another option over here. Let me just see that it is coming now. Okay. So here you can see these are the options: complaint about customer service, edit, third party, and all like this. You can uh, just click over here, and you can have the option here. I want to talk with the customer care. I have already spoken, so I can't do that. So you can do this one. Okay. In this way, if you are putting any other concern, I'm telling you it won't work. Okay. So put here, talk to customer support. Then after, you will be having these options. because it is AI generated chat. So it will detect whatever you are having the concern, you will put as a text, it will detect, and based on this it will suggest you. Okay, so now you can see this is the suggestion from where you have to choose I want to talk with the customer care. Then you will again go for the next step, and you will have the chat, you will have the chatbot which I am having. So I'll show you how it has started. See here, thank you for contacting. So tell 10:12 a.m. Thank you. This contact you for this. I am Nisha and unable to get my phone number. I have just, and this is the my Google My Business this map location which I have done. This one which I have just sent here. Where is that? Okay, sorry. There. Okay, so this one I have given the link. Then in order to help you better run into this and this, yes, they have to check your Gmail ID and then after the address, then the phone number is the same, yes, and again they will put you on hold to check the issues, and then after again thank you for staying and all. Then again they have made me stay. Thank you for staying appreciated, and this as per the request we have escalated your company 24 into 48 hours. It will take time, we will get back to you and this. Okay, so they have told me that issue will be resolved, and made sure that it will be live, that number will be live, because without number you don't have anything to do. Yeah, okay. So again, is there anything to, I have just made sure that what they are saying, and then again I can make the contact. Okay, so I can show you that the mail which came no 10:30, 10:30 they given me this mail. Thank you for that. When you verify your business, these are the information how to verify your business and all like that they have sent. And then the another message which came now, okay, 12:16, and this is 12:29. So I'll show the first message, which is this: thank you for contacting business, I hope you are doing this. This is the business is life, we are writing you about the car rental. In this Manga, we understand the concern regarding this phone number is not going to uh, is not going to is not going live on Google uh, as per your request, specialized team. So they have replied me, and then after again I have got this another message. It was at 1 hour before. Then after that I have received another message which they are saying we are writing to you about the business listing backseat cabs car rental for this location. Okay, we understand that your concern is regarding the phone number business is not live, so we are happy to let you know that we have updated the number of the business listing. So finally they have you know made the number live on my GMB. So you can see over here, if I will just refresh this, I think it should be live now. I have not made it refresh because I just would like to show to you guys how it it gets verified, so you can understand what is the process and you can do for you as well. If you are having any problem, you can let me know that I can give you a support, but it is a chargeable definitely, because I'll be helping you. I'll be doing many things, because I have done for this business. I have verified from many other different references. That is what it worked out for me. And another one which have directly get the support from Google. I have verified. So now you can see here. This is verified, and you can see here. See here. If I will refresh this, let me show that my net is little slow. uh, Let me show this way. I'm unable to show this way. I think I'm having problem switching backseat caps. Is live. Okay, so this is how I have done this, the process which you have understood. Let me know that if you are facing the same issue for your business, I'll help you out. And if you have any other business which is not getting verified or suspended, please feel free to reach me. And yeah, definitely I can help you. I hope this video will help you to understand what is the process and how to reach Google customer care, right? Thank you.